Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be doing vent repair with Mangle. Yeah, this is gonna be scary. Hello Freddy. Let's just get into it. Hope glitch trap isn't there. Okay, anyway. Yep. This is Mr. Immersion. Yep, nope, he's not here. So this is Mr. Immersion and we're doing not parts and service. Vent repair. I need my last slice of candy. Okay, let's do it. Okay. Why am I so tall always? Doesn't make any sense. Are they like all under clear sheets in the photo? Whatever. So now, yep, this is Mango.
Welcome to
this
Vent
is kind of
Repair.
Scary, but
Fazbear Entertainment prides itself on having the most comfortable facilities. Each facility is set to a perfect 72 degrees all the time. The 4 active indicator lights mean we have a well-functioning ventilation system. Your headlamp should protect you from any critters who may have stumbled into the ducts. As a certified vent technician, you should need no instruction.
No.
However, in case of an emergency,
Too tall.
it is important to remember that as the vent technician,
Okay,
you
I'm just
should
gonna
never,
kneel
under
down.
any circumstances, attempt to...
Okay. Oh my god. Chill, calm down, Mango. Okay. Is it a he? I think it's a he. Like, how would it not be a he? Like, it's literally, it's Funtime Foxy, and all Foxys are like boys, aren't they? Where's the last one? Okay, what am I supposed to do? Okay, anyway, what am I supposed to do? Green, red. Okay. Red. Blue. Okay, we did it.
A perfect 72 degrees. Good job. See you next time.
Okay, yeah, this is just a short video because I'm not ready to do Ennard yet. Oh, nice. Okay, so yeah. So this was vent repairing with Mango. Hi, glitch trap. Why does he make that noise? Okay, so anyway, what's some candy, glitch trap? No, I don't want to go into your room or whatever, like those kids once did. I don't want to do that. I'll hit you right in the face. Okay, so anyway, I didn't mean to eat that. So anyway, yeah, this was repairing with Mango. Next time I'm gonna do Ennard, and I've heard that Ennard is, and seen that Ennard is way scarier than Mango. So anyway, yeah, I'm Mr. Immersion.